Hey everyone, thank you for watching part 1 of my first video, I Will Build It. If you like the videos, please hit that like and subscribe button. Without further ado, let's do this teardown. So at this point I realized that this machine picked up some liquid damage somewhere. As you can see from the close-ups, there is corrosion and right there above the PCI Express slot and below the PCI Express slot. Let's take the heatsink off and wow, let's have a look here. Even the caps are corroded and have oxidation. The bracket, that has oxidation and corrosion, and looks like the CPU has as well. Now let's take that out and have a look. Well, the contacts look good, but what's the point? CPU below looks good, but other than that, this board has had it. It's pretty damaged. Let's give the customer the bad news and see what he decides. Hey everyone, can't wait for part 2. Check back soon. Till next time, thanks for watching.